Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to no makeup look. I'm super excited for this video. This video has been requested, so shout out to you guys. Don't be afraid to comment down below any video requests that you have. Last but not least, before we get into this video, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, video requests, whatever it is. Let's have a chat in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and you want to see more, and don't forget to click that bell button when you're done to be notified when I upload. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. So this is pretty much like my go-to no makeup. You're just trying to look good, but you're really not trying to put that much effort in. Least steps as possible, but also looking as good as possible. You know? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Saie. I honestly have no idea how you pronounce this. This is their Glowy Super Gel in the shade Star Glow. So I'm gonna just put one little pump of this onto my hand. I'm just gonna put it all over my cheeks and the highest points of my face that I want to illuminate. And I like doing this before my foundation. You can do it after if you'd like as well, but I like to do it before just because I feel like it gives that really like glow from within type finish. Like, are you kidding me? Already such a nice glow to the skin, so I'm obsessed. So my next step of my routine is this Fenty Skin Tint. It is literally my favorite foundation type thing to use right now. I always want to call it a foundation, but it is like a skin tint. So I say foundation, but it's not really foundation, but like it also is a foundation. Do you know what I mean? Anyways, so I shake this up really good. I'm in the shade 4. I low-key could probably go down another shade, but anyways, I like to literally just put this straight onto my skin and then I'll like kind of distribute it a bit with my finger. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush and I'm literally just going to like buff this out. Some people like to use their fingers, some people like to use brushes, a sponge. Whatever feels right, just go with it, you know? So I like to go back over with a little bit more in any areas that I feel like I need more coverage or whatever. Okay, so I do have a little spot here, so I'm just gonna go in again, some more of the skin tint, and just really lightly blend it out. And like, as you can see, it's super buildable, so that's what I really love about this foundation. I already did a review on this foundation. If you want to check it on my channel, it'll be linked up above here if you want to watch it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna conceal. I normally just do a little bit around my nose, a little bit on my chin, some forehead, and then just under the eye. And lately I've been into blending out my concealer with my fingers under my under eye. So I normally just take my brush and do everywhere else first. And then I like to go in just with my finger and blend out my under eyes. I just have been really liking it lately with blending it out with my fingers, just because I feel like, especially my under eyes, because I really feel like my eyes are really prone to creasing, and especially my under eye can just get dry very easily. So I try to put as little product as I need on my under eyes, and I've been really into just blending out with my finger just because I feel like it really just like melts the product into my skin. And I feel like because of me blending out with my finger, I feel like I don't crease as much on my under eye. It's like, are you kidding? Creases? Where? Because I don't see any. So the next thing I'm going to do is put on my blush. This is another Fenty product that I'm obsessed with. This is their cream blush. I've been super into cream products ever since a couple years ago, really, honestly. So yeah, so I just tap it on with my finger. So I've been into kind of putting it like higher up on my cheekbone and not so much on the apples of my cheeks. And I just like to put a little bit on the bridge of my nose and even on like the tip of my nose. I mean, it's almost summertime, so might as well act as if I've been in the sun, look a little sun-kissed, you know what I mean? So I haven't really been into contouring and bronzing up as much lately. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to set my under eye. I like to use this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. This stuff is literally amazing. Like, I'm not even gonna speak on it. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the clip and see how much it just mattifies and blurs and literally like just makes my face look so airbrushed. I do only use a little bit of this because again, my under eyes are prone to creasing and drying, so I don't want to put too much powder on, but I'm pretty much just gonna set kind of my under eye, my T-zone area, anywhere that I normally get oily, and I just want to kind of stay matte during the day, so that's where I'm gonna put this. But you guys, for real, this stuff is insane. Like, I literally threw my Laura Mercier in the trash after this. No hate to Laura, but I'm gonna just let you watch. And I'm always tapping off the excess with this, especially just because it is a loose powder. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but I really hope you can because this stuff, it's crazy, for real. So my next thing I do is my brows. So I like to give them just a little brush through. And honestly, my brows are already pretty thick naturally, so I don't really go in with too much. And on top of that, they didn't have my shade, which is normally ash brown, when I went to the store. So this is the medium brown, so it is a little bit too warm tone. You'll see once I put it on that it is kind of pulling more of a red on my skin. My hair is literally so like ashy toned. Like, it's such a cool tone brown that as soon as I put like a warm tone brown color on it, it's always gonna look a little reddish. Like, do you guys see how it already looks a little red? But that's why I'm being a little light-handed with this, just because I personally don't really think it's the best shade match. I really like this brow pencil. I really like this applicator. I'm normally someone who's more into like a pencil, and this is like still kind of a pencil, but like just a different shape, and I like this a bit better. I feel like it's easier to make hair like strokes with. And I just feel like in general it's just quicker because it is like a bigger applicator. So that's the extent of the brows that I'm gonna do today. I'm not really trying to go too crazy, but for me it doesn't matter if it's no makeup or glam. I always set my brows. And here's a tip, you guys. If you have this Benefit 24-hour brow setter, you will notice, and I didn't notice this until like a few months ago, and it literally changed the way I use this. You'll see that one side, the bristles are longer than the other, which you can see on the top, the bristles are a little bit longer than the ones on the bottom. So what I like to do is I'll take that side that has the bigger bristles and I'll put that through my brows first. And then I take the shorter ones and I really like press it in. And it almost gives me like that soap brow look without the soap brows. So I'm kind of obsessed. Because you know how like the brow wax and all of that's really in right now? And a lot of people use that technique of kind of like either using a brush or something to kind of like press their eyebrow hairs into their face. So it like, that gives that like brow lamination look. And I feel like this does this because the little bristles on the one side are really, really little. It just lets you really like press it into your face without obviously ruining your makeup. Now that I'm done with my face pretty much, I'm just gonna spray my face to set it with my trusty Urban Decay setting spray. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just going to curl my lashes and then I'm just gonna put on some mascara. And I like to blink when I do my mascara. I feel like it just coats the lashes more. And another thing I'll do is I'll like squint and kind of just like, so you only really get like the ends of your lashes. And I feel like that just makes them look so long. Normally on my no makeup days, I honestly will only do top mascara. I know that sounds really weird, but I just feel like it makes my eyes look bigger, which sounds weird because you're like, well, you'd think if you put mascara on your bottom lashes, that will make your eyes look bigger, but I don't know. There's something about the no mascara on the bottom lashes that I just love. That's just how I feel sometimes, you know? I can't help it. I'm just being honest. Okay, so since I did get some mascara on my lid, I'm just gonna wipe that away. So the last step is lips. So I'm gonna go with something very simple yet stunning. So this is actually a lip combo that I got from my friend. I'm not using the exact lip color that she was using, but this is the NYX Lip Liner and Cold Brew. It's a really nice, just like brown shade that I'm obsessed with. And then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Glossbomb just to go over top. And I'm only really overlining the center of my lips. So now that I got the lip liner on, I'm gonna go over with my Glossbomb Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. As per usual, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you liked it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more, and click that bell button to be notified when I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.